Okay friends, to get started, one of the first things we have to do is go ahead and remove this right here. To remove this, what you're going to find is you have 3 mounting bolts along the top here, and then you'll have 2 mounting bolts along each side. Let's remove them all. Now let's go ahead and get the breather hose off of here. You're going to find that it has a clip. Go ahead and remove that clip. There we are. Set this off to the side. Let's go ahead and grab one of these. We'll just wobble this around and get it right out of here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove these rubber bushings from the top of the radiator. Okay friends, now it's time to start swapping things over from our original upper fan shroud. We've got our little clippy-doo here. If you were to go along the back side, you're going to find that there's 2 little squeeze tabs. We'll go ahead and squeeze on those. Once you have them squeezed, go ahead and pull it out from the other side. There it is. Set that aside. Now we're going to move along to this area right along here. You're going to notice on both sides you're going to have one of these. Let's go ahead and remove the pair. Now let's start swapping everything over to our new one. Go ahead and slide that in. Make sure it's secured. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put on our rubber inserts. You're going to notice you have your little tab. Lines up with the hole. Go ahead and slide it right down. And then from the bottom side, go ahead and grab onto that tab. Just make sure it's securely in there. Now let's go ahead and grab onto these. I'm just going to carefully slide this under. Slide this right under here. Perfect. Now the next thing we want to do is reach down right between here. We're going to line up these holes and then put in our 2 bolts. Now our 2 bolts on the other side. Now let's go ahead and pull this and then put in our last 3 bolts across the center. Let's go ahead and put on our overflow hose. Got our little clamp. Just make sure it's nice and tight.